Just because we can't gather indoors doesn't mean you can't get outdoors and enjoy some of the great adventures, airboat rides, and great things to do around Louisiana. Wear your mask, do it safely, and see the great outdoors of Louisiana.
People want to get out. They've been locked up for a long time, so they want to get out and have some fun. And this is a way that can do it in a safe environment. Ultimate Swamp Adventures, we started in 2013, so it's a family business. So now we have like 7 airboats, and we have two pontoon boats. Whether you go on the tour boat or the airboat, you see a lot.
Well, it was definitely the highlight of our trip. That was great. Captain Dan, he has amazing hair. He was real knowledgeable about the vegetation and the swamp rats or whatever they're called. We didn't see any gators, but that's because they're buried down in the ground, he said.
In the wintertime, it's harder to find the alligators, so we have to remind people it's a swamp tour, not an alligator tour. We have a lot of room on board, so the large boat behind there especially, we can space people out. We're required to wipe down the ear protection, and then the rails, the seats, and anything that people touch between tours. And after the tour's over, it's perfect because they can just walk right up 50 feet behind us and have lunch on the deck outside or inside now. We have limited capacity.
Yeah, I ate more alligator than I ever wanted to. We'll just put it that way. The swamp boat tour was definitely a must-see. Absolutely, probably the highlight of our trip.
For information on places like this, visit LouisianaIsATrip.com for more information.